Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. It is a 2015 Lexus NX200T F Sport Series 2 in the Matador Red mica finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features do include premium LED headlamps with the auto leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, F Sport front grille, front and rear park assist sensors, headlamp washers, keyless entry with the push to start ignition, automatic high beam, park assist sensor switch, blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, power liftgate, pre-collision system, center locking differential, heated steering wheel, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, driver seat memory seating, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, a 7-inch multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, a 10-speaker Lexus premium audio system, dual zone climate control, heated front seats, head-up display, drive mode select with the Sport Plus, which includes the adaptive variable suspension, electronic parking brake, remote touchpad, a QI compatible wireless smartphone charging, sunroof, black interior in great condition, and of course comes with a built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.